Bitcoin and altcoins are seeing a recovery today, and we're going to talk about what that means in this video, why it's occurring, and basically what we can expect from this in the future. So let's talk about it in this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on X wherever you're watching this, and let's get right into our video. So I'm cryptoFOXXY. If you haven't been here before, now you know who I am, and so we're going to basically talk about what's going on in the crypto market by first taking a look at the overall chart. So the market's up 5% today, which is a nice seeing this recovery. Bitcoin's sitting at 63.2 right now, so we have recovered very nicely. Ethereum's up 4% as well, and we have a number of outliers up, in the double digits, single digits as well. The entire market's really feeling a bit of a relief from this scenario. So what is that? Well, Mt. Gox is pushing repayment plan deadline to October in 2025. So what do they really have left to do? Well, we know that they have been starting, distributing funds to creditors, basically paying their debts, right? But they postponed the deadline to pay the rest of their creditors by a year, and many rehabilitation creditors still have not received their payments after not completing the required procedures. So there was some errors in some of their, must have been their paperwork kind of thing, and they haven't been fully repaid. Platform was one of the earliest crypto exchanges in the world. And at one point, it handled about 70% of all global Bitcoin transactions. That's a huge amount. A series of security breaches and unnoticed hacks led to a halt in withdrawals and eventual collapse in 2014. So funds from about 127 users were locked and in this bankruptcy proceeding. So in July, the trustee managing Mt. Gox assets began distributing around 9.4 billion in funds to creditors. They still owe 2.8 billion in assets, according to data from Arkham Intelligence. So that's still a significant amount of funds. Issues during the repayment process included double deposits to some users, which they basically demanded the funds be returned to them, citing a system issue. The exchange later admitted the error, obviously requesting the funds to be returned. And there was also some that didn't file the paperwork correctly, so that's basically why they're waiting. By the end of July, more than 41.5% or 59,000 Bitcoin have been redistributed to creditors. At the time, a report from analytics from Glassnode showed that creditors were steadily holding around 4 billion in funds. A total of 141,686 Bitcoin to creditors alongside Bitcoin Cash and fiat currency after a decade of waiting was what they had to return. So this is something that was looming over the crypto market's head for quite some time. A lot of it has been already redistributed, and there's still some left to do, but they're not going to be getting it done until October of next year. So yeah, the crypto market is definitely benefiting from this today. Things are looking pretty good. We can see Bitcoin definitely in the green here, up 6.5%, steadily climbing after our dip down into the 59K region just the other day. So actually it was just yesterday. So that's really nice to see. I know Foxy, crypto goes up, crypto goes down. Is this news? Well, yeah, it is, because it's nice to know that the Mt. Gox situation didn't negatively impact crypto as much as we thought it was going to. So it's kind of good to keep tabs on these things and to know that they're going to be repaid again next year with the return, with the remainder of the funds that they're owed. So that is something that is good to know. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Good day in crypto today. So hopefully it'll extend into the weekend and we'll have a pretty decent weekend. So hopefully you guys have a great weekend as well. Spend some time with your family, friends, do something fun if you can, unless you're not working, right? Thanks so much for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Peace.